got here is I've got my tables, and what I want to do is to try and work out what the relationships are between the tables, and we're going to do that with words. Okay, so I'm going to try and write a sentence which describes the relationship between menu and between order. Now, the words sentence will always start with one. Okay, so what I'm going to try and say, well, let's see what I can say. So if I took one menu item over here, okay, so well, let's call it product code. One product, because they've got product codes, can appear on. Now, how many orders can the product appear on? So hopefully ham sandwiches would be on lots of orders, or on many orders, and that's the other word we use. So I could say one product can appear on many orders. So the relationship between menu and order is a one-to-many relationship. Okay, so now we do it the other way around as well. So I'm going to rewrite this sentence, but I'm going to rewrite it from the point of view of the order one. So if I said one order, what would I be saying then? One order can contain. Okay, now how many products can it contain? So one order should be able to contain many products. Okay, so hopefully on one order I've got ham salad, I've got egg sandwich, I've got falafel, I've got whatever. Okay, so this is now what we call a many-to-many relationship. It's one-to-many this way, from menu to order, and from order to menu it's also many as well. So many-to-many relationships are not good. Okay, so we need to try and avoid those. So I'm just gonna, we have to try and avoid those. We don't want those relationships. So, and we'll look at how we deal with those in a minute, and that causes problems with our normalization. So what about between order and customer? So let's take customer here, and let's take order, copy and paste that. So here's order. Now how do I deal with this? What sentence can I write for these two? So if I say one customer, okay, one customer can have, hopefully they'll come back again and they can have many orders. So that's one sentence that we can put about that. Now what about the other way around? So if I said one order is for, okay, so is for how many customers? Well, it's actually only for one customer. Okay, it might be delivered to several different places, but we'll deal with that in a minute. So this now is what we call a one-to-one relationship. Okay, so it's a one-to-one relationship, and we would draw those on here, but I'll show you how to draw those in a minute. But these are the relationships. So we need to deal with this many-to-many problem here. So we've got one product can appear on many orders, and one order can contain many products. This one is fine. Okay, or customer to order. Now we need to relate menu to customer? Okay, they're not directly related, they're only related through the order, so we don't need to do that. Okay, so you have to make decisions. You could have a relationship between menu and customer, but it's not really appropriate here because the order is the one that sits in the middle of them.